When we're working with exterior angles, we're looking at these angles outside, and if you kind of look at how these angles outside work, no matter what shape you have, if you look at all of them together, look what they make. They always make this circle. So I kind of refer to these problems as pinwheel problems because they make that pinwheel design, or the ninja star of death problems if you want to be more violent about it. But regardless of how you think about it, those exterior angles, regardless of the number you have, always make this circle. So no matter what, the exterior angle sum of any convex polygon is always going to be 360 degrees. So we don't need a formula like we did for interior angle. For exterior angles, it's just 360 regardless of how many sides we have. So these questions are my favorites because they're so easy. So I want to find the sum of the exterior angles of a hexagon. Well, a hexagon has 6 sides, but who cares? Their exterior angle sum is 360 degrees. The exterior angle sum of a dodecagon, a 12-sided figure, who cares if it has 12 sides? It's 360 degrees. And then finally, a 314 gon with its 314 sides, or 314 angles, also has an exterior angle sum of 360 degrees. It does not matter how many sides or angles we have, the exterior angle sum is always going to be 360. And so to solve an algebraic equation, or an algebraic equation involving a geometry problem with exterior angles, we're going to use that same thinking. I've got 4 exterior angles. Together they're going to add up to 360. It's not because I have 4 angles. I could have 4 angles or 400 angles. The exterior angles are always going to be equal to 360 degrees. So no formula required to find what they should be equal to. After that, I'm just going to set up my equation. So I'm going to add up all my angles. I've got x plus 2x plus 89. And then plus 67. And once again, I'm just going to add up like terms. So I've got 3x plus 156 equal to 360. I'll subtract 156 from both sides, and finally divide by 3 to find an answer of 68. If I wanted to actually, that's what x is. If I want to actually find my angles, I would need to go and plug that back in. So this angle would be 68 degrees. I'd have to do a similar thing up here, plug in x, or plug in 68 for x and multiply by 2. A really easy way to check this would then be to add up all your answers and make sure they do it up to 360. But in this case, they only wanted the value of x. I was just giving you a way that you could find your angles or check that if you wanted to.